If you want to go ahead and jump to a specific time while playing a video, then you can easily do that in VLC Media Player. Let's say, for example, if I were to bring this particular video clip right here and play it out, you can see that this video clip is 43 seconds long. But let's say I want to go ahead exactly into 33 seconds. So to do that, you need to go to playback. And then over here, you can see that jump to specific time is an option right here. So you can see that right now I'm in 1 second, but I want to go exactly in 33 seconds right here, just like this. So I can simply type that in, press go, and then I exactly get onto the 33 seconds point, as you can see right here, and go ahead and continue play from there. You can do that while you're playing out the video as well. So you can go around onto playback, and then you can go ahead on to jump to specific time. And then over here, what you can do is type in, let's say, for example, 35, press OK, then it jumps to that specific time right there, just like that. And that is how you can utilize the jump to specific time option inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe